Hi, this is Wayne Wheeler and welcome to another Seasonal Source Training Minute. Today I want to talk about how to properly branch wrap a tree with mini lights. When properly branch wrapping a tree, always start with the male plug-in against the trunk of the tree, because that is where your power supply is coming from and you've got to be able to plug this in. So go ahead and start with a couple of tight wraps here to keep that male plug in place, and then continue on down the tree. You can have a little bit of space between your wrap on the way out, because what's going to happen here is you're going to wrap out and then you're going to turn around and you're going to wrap back in. So you're basically getting a double wrap on here. Now you don't necessarily have to be concerned with wrapping every branch on a tree, okay? You just want to get the main thick branches. So as you go out the branch, go out as far as you can, and then when you make your transition back, find a place for the wire to hook into. So take your lights through another branch, and then that keeps them really tight and keeps them taut so they don't slide off the tree, and start back the other direction. And what this does, by double wrapping it, it makes the lights look very full on here. And then when you get back to the base of the tree here, when you get back to the trunk, if you have lights left over, then you can go ahead and make your transition up to the next branch and continue wrapping the next branch out and back down again. When you go to take down the lights on a branch wrap tree, start with the female end. You'll take the female end and put it in your hand and start winding the lights up around your hand. That will then turn into a ball of lights, which you just continue to roll up as you go up the tree. By rolling the lights into a ball, it enables you very easily to put the lights up next year, because you've got this nice tight ball of lights to put in your hand, so that way you can start wrapping the tree next year and they're not all in a total mess. They're in a nice compact ball to wrap the tree with. But you always have to make sure you have the female in your hand, because you have to have the male exposed to start up against the trunk of the tree the next year.